In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can hide your Instagram followers or following list. Before we dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, by default, anyone can see your followers and following list if your profile is set to public. To limit this, go ahead and select your profile icon down in the bottom right corner and select the three lines up in the top right. And from here, go ahead and scroll down and you're going to see an option for account privacy. Go ahead and use this to change your account to a private account by just ticking on that box just like so. And now only your followers are going to be able to see your list. Now, if there's people that you don't want to see your list, go ahead and go back to this section that looks something like this. And what you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually just scroll over to go back to your profile and go onto your followers list. And you just got to find someone and just hit this little X next to their name. And that's going to pop with an option to remove them as a follower. Once they're removed, they can't view your followers or following. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. You can't fully hide your list on a public account, but by switching to a private account and removing followers gives you that control that you want. Before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, remember you can ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.